Hello, welcome back to my page, and today's video is going to be a travel vlog and we are in Maldives. ये वाला ट्रिप बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्पेशल होने वाला है गाइज बिकॉज आई एम कमिंग हियर विद माई हस्बैंड एंड इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी हिज बर्थडे ट्रिप एंड ही हैज़ नो आइडिया दैट आई एम गेटिंग हिम हियर एंड आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू प्ले द क्लिप वेयर आई एम एक्चुअली रिवीलिंग द लोकेशन टू हिम ऑन द एयरपोर्ट. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू पुट दैट क्लिप इन द नेक्स्ट क्लिप. गाइस वी आर फाइनली गोइंग ऑन योर बर्थडे ट्रिप. व्हाट डू यू थिंक हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
हम जा रहे हैं आई थिंक वी आर गोइंग टू थाईलैंड.
ओके ये ले
व्हाट इज दिस?
इसके अंदर मैंने लोकेशन डाला है.
Let's see.
1 2 3.
Oh shit! We are going Maldives.
वापस कर.
Love you. Happy birthday. So sweet. So sweet.
So we are here for 5 nights 4 days and we are staying in a private villa. I'm really excited for this trip. My husband is currently in the washroom. हम लोग already Maldives पहुंच गए हैं. I actually wanted to start the vlog from Mumbai airport only but it was so chaotic. I was just shooting. हम लोग खा रहे थे, हम लोग late हो गए, पता नहीं क्या क्या हो रहा था. So I thought कि Maldives में उतर कर ही I will start vlogging and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Let's get started. Guys, my husband is here. How are you feeling in Maldives?
Amazing.
All thanks to me. Finally reached Santara Ras Fuji Island and this resort is beautiful. It took us around 20 minutes to come here from the airport and speedboat se they get you here and the views, the experience, everything right now is just amazing. I cannot wait to show you guys the room. I haven't seen the room yet but I'm very excited to see the room, to see the entire villa, to see the entire resort and I am obviously going to take you guys along with me. And right now it is almost 4 p.m. and we are having our lunch, like our late lunch, and this is the view. So pretty. Guys, this is the room we are going to be staying in. It is so beautiful. It's an ocean sunset villa and the view is breathtaking. This is how the resort looks like and that's our room. Let's go. So ये open करते ही ये थोड़ा हमारा पसारा है so please ignore that. But this is a very cute washroom. यहाँ पर sink है, that is the bathing area and other things. And this is how it looks like. You can also close it right here and open भी कर सकते हो to see the view from the washroom. How cool is that? यहाँ से ही बाहर जाते ही you have this very cute and cozy bedroom which I really liked. And this is the sunset view from our room which is breathtaking. Just look at that. Oh my god. That's my husband chilling right there. I'm gonna go and chill with him right now. But the view from this room is just incredible. I love it so much. Also guys, the best part about this villa is that you can directly go from here niche to swim, snorkel, whatever, which is so cool. Guys, my husband is taking pictures like this for the first time in his life. Influencer ban gaya yaar Ganesh tu. And this is his view. Oh my god. Ah. Hi guys, it is our day 1 here in Maldives and it is my husband's birthday. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
So आज का दिन is very chill. Honestly, this is the outfit I'm wearing. I'll show you guys that properly when I go near the mirror. But anyway, right now we are just going and exploring the property and I'll obviously take you guys along with me, and also हम लोग थोड़ा photo shoot भी करने वाले हैं. So let's see how that goes. Guys, we just had our lunch, got ready, and right now we are sitting by the beach in this beautiful bar with our drinks, and that's my husband. Hello. अपना drink तो देखा. And this is our view. The water here is crystal clear. I don't know what they have put in this water or how is it so clear and so green, blue, turquoise green. क्या है ये color? It's just beautiful. It's genuinely so beautiful. I am in love with this entire property and honestly अगर मुझे यहाँ पर हमेशा के लिए रहने का मौका मिले तो मैं हमेशा के लिए यहाँ पर settle हो जाऊँ. It is so beautiful. Guys, it's extremely hot right now. I'm wearing my cap, my glares, my पंखा. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म हो रहा है. This is Instagram versus reality. are done with our lunch. ज़्यादा भूख नहीं लगी थी क्योंकि already breakfast बहुत अच्छे से किया था हम लोगों ने. And oh my god, look at the view, look at the sky, it's so blue. Okay, anyway, अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं विला में क्योंकि हमें थोड़ी ये देर सोना है. बहुत थक गए and बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है guys, तो उसकी वजह से थोड़ा heat stroke type हो रहा है मुझे. And I really like my outfit today for some reason. It's just that this flower is like ऐसा हो रहा है वो, you know. But otherwise I really like this outfit. I'm going to go now, sleep for some time and then change this outfit maybe, and then we are going to celebrate my husband's birthday. He's least interested in all these things like most men. मैं ही ज़्यादा excited हूँ like most women. We are going to go have some champagne, have a lot of cake and celebrate his birthday. That's the most beautiful व्यू एवर. लाइक मैं ये सब एक्चुअली इंस्टाग्राम पे हमेशा देखती थी, पिंटरेस्ट पे देखती थी, एंड मेरी टोपी गिर गई. एक्सीलेंट. बिडिंग गुड बाय टू माई टोपी गाइज. आई मिस यू. आई रियली वांट टू क्राई राइट नाउ बिकॉज इट इज सो हॉट एंड मेरी टोपी गिर गई. ओह माय गॉड. एनीवे, इज द बीच. ज़्यादा लोग नहीं यहाँ पर क्योंकि अभी 2 बज रहे दोपहर के एंड इट इज बॉइलिंग हॉट. बट वी बॉइलिंग ही बोलते हैं तो क्या बोलते हैं, बॉइलिंग. गर्म हो रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा. यू कैन ऑल्सो साइकिल फ्रॉम हियर. आई डोंट नो इफ यू गाइस कैन सी देयर इज समवन हु इज साइकिलिंग देयर. हम नहीं करने वाले क्योंकि मेरे पैर में फ्रैक्चर हो चुका है. आई मीन हो गया था एंड आई कांट टेक रिस्क राइट नाउ. बट दिस इज द व्यू, सो ब्यूटिफुल. ओह माय गॉड. मुझे से सुबह से ही लग रहा था कि मैं टोपी घुमाने वाली हूँ अपनी, बट मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि मैं पानी में गिरा के उसको डुबाने वाली हूँ. बट एनीवे, आई हैव बॉट अ कैप. But I think टोपी was like a better option because proper protection मिल रहा था मुझे इस धूप से. But anyway, I am going right now and taking a quick nap because I really need it. बहुत थक गए हम लोग. So I'll see you guys later. ये सारे हमारे विला है guys. These are all. This is Sunrise Ocean Villa and this is Sunset Ocean Villa. We obviously chose the Sunset Ocean Villa because सुबह सुबह तो मैं उठने से रही sunrise देखने के लिए, तो might as well just see sunset. And I think Sunset Villa was the best decision ever because इतना beautiful view आता है हमारे रूम से. Anyway, I am going right now in the room. I'll catch you guys later. How awkward are you on camera? Please tell them.
I'm very awkward. I don't know how to face the camera
Yeah.
properly.
He's the birthday boy. Yay! How old are you? 20, 21, 25?
32.
32. Oh, 32. Just took a really nice nap. मुझे literally उठने नहीं हो रहा था. I was so tired and I quickly changed my outfit. Let me show you guys. This is the outfit I'm wearing. It's I don't know what this exactly is called, but I got this one from Savannah. I think it's very appropriate for Maldives and the beach and everything, so I really like it. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं बाहर और थोड़े photos लेने के लिए because it is sunset time and you guys can see the sun is on my face and it looks so good. I love it. We are just going to go and take some pictures and I'll take you guys along with me of course. And उसके बाद हम लोग करने वाले हैं केक कटिंग and हम लोग केक कटिंग यहाँ पर ही करने वाले हैं in our villa and with this view with my husband and with some champagne. I am so excited, so let's go.
Hi guys, this is where the sharks are feeded. Every evening they come over here to feed the sharks. And obviously you can see this one, it's a pig. So it's a baby shark, it's a pig.
Guys, we are celebrating Ganesh's birthday finally with some cake, champagne and with the birthday guy. Of course. Hello, welcome to day 2 in Maldives. Today is a very special day because आज हम करने वाले हैं बहुत सारे water sports activities. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं. We actually just had our breakfast. Came to the room and then just got ready. I'm just wearing simple clothes only because अभी सब खराब ही होने वाला है and we are just doing boat ride and kayaking in the ocean. So yeah, very excited. I don't know if you guys can see, but वहाँ पर थोड़े लोग कर रहे boat ride and kayaking, which looks really cool. I will take you guys along with me and I'm little scared also. Actually मुझे scuba diving and snorkeling भी करना था, but I don't think I would be able to do it because मैंने थोड़े दिन पहले अपने पैर को fracture कर दिया था. Now it is completely healed, but I still have to take a lot of precautions so that वो ज़्यादा दुखे ना. And my doctor has also advised me to not do it, so I don't think I would be doing it. But my husband right here, I think he would be doing it. So yeah, very excited. Let's go and do some kayaking. We are finally here for kayaking. This is our view. Oh my god, I'm very excited. This is how it looks like. बोट नहीं, हम लोग भी पहले kayaking करेंगे ना. थोड़ा डर भी लग रहा है मुझे गाइस क्योंकि है ना बहुत ज्यादा धूप है और मुझे धूप सहन नहीं हो रही है. आई डोंट नो इफ यू गाइस कैन सी, मेरा पूरा मेकअप भी निकल रहा है यहाँ वहाँ से एंड बहुत ज्यादा पसीना आ रहा है और तपती हुई ऐसे धूप. आई एम लिटिल स्कैर्ड कि मुझे हीट स्ट्रोक ना हो जाए, बट अदरवाइज द व्यू, ओह माय गॉड, सो स्टनिंग. बहुत मजा आ रहा है यहाँ पर. अभी देखते हैं कितना मजा आएगा बोट राइड में एंड कयाकिंग में. हम इस बोट पे बैठ के जाने वाले हैं. पहले आई थिंक हम लोग कयाकिंग कर रहे हैं एंड इट विल टेक अस ऑल द वे ओवर देयर. गोइंग पैडल बोट राइट नाउ. इतनी ज्यादा गर्मी है पर इतना ज्यादा ब्यूटीफुल व्यू है. जस्ट लुक एट दैट. वी आर पैडलिंग एंड दिस इज आवर व्यू. ओह माय गॉड, द वाटर लुक्स क्रिस्टल क्लियर. इट्स लाइक टर्कोइज और कोई कलर ही नहीं है इस वाटर का. इतना ब्यूटीफुल पानी है. इट्स जस्ट अमेजिंग. अच्छा लग रहा है तुझे? ये गाइस मेरे ब्लॉग में आ ही नहीं रहा है. इतना एम्बैरेस हो रहा है मेरे हरकतों की वजह से, बट I have to do what I got to do. Hello, we just got done with the boat ride. A very nice experience. थोड़ी धूप थी and थोड़ा difficult था करने के लिए, but a very nice experience. The views we saw from our boat were really nice. Highly recommend doing this. Now we are going for kayaking. थोड़ा डर लग रहा है क्योंकि it's like riding a boat. But let's see how it goes. I'm not going to take the camera with me because बहुत ज़्यादा like it's not safe. अगर कैमरा में गिर गया तो it will be very difficult for me. So I'm not going to take my camera with me. Guys, we just came back kayaking करके और हम कर ही नहीं पाए kayaking क्योंकि हमें आ ही नहीं रहा था वो बोट को एक्चुअली सेल करने को ही बोलते हैं ना. डायरेक्शन बेसिकली नहीं हो रहा था हम लोग को देने के लिए. सो वी केम बैक इन लाइक 5 minutes बिकॉज इट्स बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स है. यू कांट लाइक गो एनीवेयर एंड डू एनीथिंग. सो वी वर लाइक क्रैशिंग ऑन टू बोट्स एंड ऑल्सो इट वॉज गेटिंग वेरी स्कैरी. सो वी केम बैक इन लाइक 5 minutes. बट इफ यू आर लाइक अ प्रो इन दिस देन डेफिनेटली ट्राई इट आउट. हमसे तो नहीं हो पाया. एंड अभी हम जा रहे हैं हमारे रूम में क्योंकि बहुत गर्मी है. वी आर गोइंग टू टेक अ बाथ एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड आई थिंक माई हस्बैंड देन विल गो फॉर स्नॉर्कलिंग. लेट्स सी. But unfortunately kayaking was a fail. I was really looking forward to it, but हमें करने ही नहीं हो रहा था. Anyway, let's go to our villa. Just took a shower and got ready for lunch. It's currently 1:30. We are heading out for lunch and then we are just going to roam around at the villa and also take a lot of cute pictures. This is the outfit I'm wearing. Got this one from Samana. Let me show you guys. So this is my outfit. It has a very cute brooch detailing right here which matches with my belt and वही type के मैंने earrings भी पहने हैं. This is my hand stack. And we are all set for lunch. Let's go. Also, I feel like this color also complements my skin tone so well. I as it is don't like pastel colors, but ऐसे झटाक pink, red colors मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. And yeah, this is the finished look. And this is the makeup. Really like it. थोड़ी tan, थोड़ी नहीं, actually काफ़ी ज़्यादा tan हो गई हूँ, इसलिए maybe my face must be looking little grey, but that's okay. I really like my makeup. Hair तो is natural, curly, wavy only. कुछ कर ही नहीं रही हूँ मैं क्योंकि बहुत गर्मी है, सब खराब हो जाता है बाल. So yeah, let's head out. Let's go. Just had my lunch. I'm still at the restaurant and the food is actually good over here. It's not amazing but it's good. It's very decent, I would say. पहले दिन हम आए थे तभी मुझे बिल्कुल भी खाना पसंद नहीं आया था for the dinner. I don't know, I think it was some Thai menu or something. I think it was not my taste, but today was Indian food. Yesterday कौन सा था? Thai नहीं, fish. Yesterday was seafood का theme. They have like themes every day. So आज का and कल का खाना बहुत अच्छा था. Just Friday का dinner मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा. Otherwise the breakfast, lunch, dinner is pretty good here. We are right now at the bar. हम थोड़ा photo shoot करने गए थे. We took few photos and then we went to the beach to take some pictures. It was really hot, बहुत heat stroke type हो रहा था. So we just came back at the shacks. We are just having a drink. अभी 4 बजेंगे in the next 40-45 minutes. So we will go inside the beach to swim and just to chill. तब तक इधर बैठ के थोड़ा हम ड्रिंक पी रहे हैं. Guys, ये बहुत awkward हो जाता है vlog करने के टाइम पे. He doesn't come in my vlogs only. Look at him. He's not interested only to come in my vlogs. है ना, ये कैमरा भी उसने ही खरीद के दिया बट ये लड़का आने को रेडी ही नहीं है मेरे व्लॉग्स में. मैं क्या करूँ इसका, कुछ तो बोल यार. बहुत ज्यादा टैन हो गई हूँ as you guys can see, but I'm actually liking my tan. It's just that वो uneven पूरा tan हो जाता है, like here I won't get tanned and then again यहाँ पर हाथों पे and all I get tanned a lot. So वो मुझे पसंद नहीं है, but still I'm really liking the tan. Yeah, I'm just chilling by the pool. And look at the view, look at the sky, it's so pretty, oh my god. Guys, we are shooting a reel and Ganesh is looking so cute, oh my god. Let me show you guys.
चलो फिर जाओ उधर से.
How irritated are you with me?
Not irritated, but
अच्छा, oh. Hello, we are finally in the water. अभी हम लोग स्विमिंग पूल में है guys, but थोड़ी देर में थोड़ा सनसेट होने के टाइम पे we are going in the sea, in the ocean, स्विमिंग करने के लिए. कैसा लग रहा है? मेकअप इज लुकिंग सो गुड. थोड़ा ग्रे दिख रहा है बट ठीक है, वो वैसे सन किस्ड लुक आ रहा है, अच्छा लग रहा है. आई एम एक्चुअली नॉट अ वाटर बेबी एट ऑल, बट टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट आई एम एक्चुअली एंजॉयिंग इट क्वाइट अ लॉट. सो कूल. दिस इज एक्चुअली माई 3rd और 4th व्लॉग जो मैं व्लॉग कर रही हूँ एंड इट्स सो डिफिकल्ट गाइज. मैं कैमरा ऑन करके क्या बात करूँ? आई ऑलवेज फील दैट struggle कि मैं क्या बात करूँ. What should I tell them? Is anyone like interested in knowing what I'm doing or not? But हाँ, I really want to get into vlogging and I have to start from somewhere. So I'm going to try my best to vlog this trip. Till now, today, I think I did a very good job of vlogging. Even कल भी मैंने अच्छे से vlog किया था. But it's only when we were traveling from Mumbai to Maldives तभी मेरा थोड़ा problem हो गया vlog करने के लिए because we were running a little late because I had to also shoot vertical format content for my reels and everything, for my shorts shorts, reels and everything, and उसमें vlog करना is like very difficult. So I'm just trying to balance out the both and see how things go. But anyway, I am loving this. My outfit for the day. Hello, it's day 3 in Maldives and this is our last full day here, and today morning it started off on a very like chill note. हमने breakfast किया and then we went for a spa. Unfortunately I couldn't do a lot because मेरे पैरों में fracture है and I can't really get massages and everything, pedicures or any of those things on my legs. So I just did a little bit of facial and back massage and everything, which felt so good. Then I shot few reels again, got ready, and now we are going for our lunch. And this is my view. Oh my god. I am going to miss this so much. We are going to leave tomorrow and अभी थोड़ा धूप उतरने के बाद we are going to go again in the pool and chill. First time in the last 3-4 months this guy has taken his own camera which he has gifted me for vlogging and he's vlogging. I can't believe this. अरे मुझे तो दिखा तेरे बालों को कब से. Both are not at all twinning. हमारे aesthetics बहुत ही ज़्यादा different है. He likes nude, white, all these kind of colors. And मुझे तो ये सारे colors जमते नहीं हैं. I'm very colorful person, but I'm wearing black today. And I really like my outfit. How's my outfit?
Amazing. Much better. All black.
All black and gold. Guys, it was just like a 2-minute walking thing from our villa to the restaurant, and just look at my face. I'm sweating like a pig. It's so hot. मुझे एक तो गर्मी सहन नहीं होती है, and इधर तो like extreme level hot है इधर, literally. Anyway, we are going to have lunch right now. This is an ocean cafe restaurant thing. Let me show you. ऐसे दिखता है ये, and नीचे, if you guys can see, it's literally sand. Like how cool. And this is where we are going to have our lunch. So I just realized कि मैंने आप लोगों को बताया नहीं अभी तक that what all things we are doing here and for how many days we are here and all the itinerary and everything. So basically I chose this location. That was because मेरे fracture हो गया था मेरा पैर, so I wanted something which was very calm and relaxing. If you guys have traveled somewhere else like Europe में या even any other Asian country, then you would know कि at least 15 to 20,000 steps minimum एक दिन में चलना पड़ता है, and that was not possible for me with my broken leg. So I decided to come to Maldives because firstly it was very close. It is like very close to India. It's like 2-3 hours.
2 hours. From Mumbai to Mali, 2 hours flight.
2 hours flight था and उससे यहाँ पर airport से resort आने के लिए भी
20 minutes.
Yeah. So it was very convenient for me, and यहाँ पर भी I don't have to like walk or anything. It's just a chill vibe here, so I don't have to do anything. Give you guys a gist of what all things we have done here and what all is included in our package. So we booked an ocean sunset villa. यहाँ से directly ocean दिखता है and sunset होता है वो दिखता है. So I think this place for the price we paid was really nice. Secondly, the views from everywhere is like amazing, outstanding. मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. Did you like it?
Yes, it's amazing.
So what I was trying to tell is this place is very aesthetic and everything, views and everything, even the room service and everything was amazing. Complimentary यहाँ पर you get a lot of alcohol which is in the fridge. Everything is complimentary. तुम कुछ भी उठा के पी सकते हो, कुछ charges वार्जेस कुछ नहीं है. Everything is included in the package. Then breakfast, lunch, dinner, everything is included in the package again. If you want to have alcohol or any drinks at any cafe or restaurant over here, that is also complimentary. Kayaking is complimentary. Snorkeling is complimentary, and paddle boat is complimentary. These 3 activities are complimentary. I also booked for a photo shoot, but unfortunately the camera person is not here, so we took a spa instead. And he went for snorkeling. I did not because I already mentioned. So all these things are already included in the package. If you want to do scuba diving or any other sports activity जहाँ पर motor sports basically use होता है, for that you have to pay.
I think services is pretty good. They are pretty fast with whatever they do. And also the only thing, the weather is very hot sometimes, and after if the weather gets too hot, then it starts raining.
But the rains are also okay. ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत ज़्यादा rain होता है.
It rains around 5-10 minutes and then it stops.
Yeah.
So it's good in that way.
Yeah, and of course this is like an off-season thing क्योंकि honeymoon के लिए mostly लोग आते हैं and November to January or February only people come here mostly. So this is like an off-season thing. But still मुझे इतना affordable नहीं पड़ा if I would say so, because the thing is because of the war and everything which is going on right now, people are not going to like Gulf side or even Europe side because Dubai से ही जाना पड़ता है हर जगह पे. So people are like preferring and coming to Asia side and Maldives and everything. So because of that, it's not very cheap, but I think for the price we paid, it was pretty good. I think, है ना?
The price का तो मुझे पता नहीं.
इसलिए surprise था guys. Did you like the surprise?
It's amazing.
Yay! अभी हम जा रहे हैं थोड़े फोटोज लेने. Of course वो ही मेरा काम है, to be very honest. Then we are going to go in the pool, chill, and then we are going in the ocean to do some swimming. Not swimming, but ऐसे ही chill करने के लिए. So I'll catch you guys later. Okay, bye. Bye boys.
Bye.
Bye. Guys, this is our last full day in Maldives and I'm so sad. But now we are going to the ocean. मैं first तो ये झूले पे जाने वाली हूँ. This is like peak Maldives behavior. Last day, oh no, I'm gonna cry. Look at the view. Guys, I'm gonna miss this life so much. I'm gonna miss these sunsets and these drinks. Everything about this trip was so magical. अभी तो हम लोग actually swimming pool में because beach बंद हो गया है. 6 o'clock को बंद हो जाता है because of safety reasons. So right now we are in the swimming pool. This is the swimming pool. And yeah, it is sunset. Sun actually set हो गया है. It's just थोड़ा बहुत you can see the sun and everything. But yeah, I'm gonna miss this place so much. I'm gonna cry. Oh, good morning. Last day in Maldives. We are leaving in like 2-3 hours. And I am so sad, you guys. This was literally one of my best vacations because apart from filming content, that is a different thing. But apart from that, it was such a relaxing, chill vacation. I can't even tell you guys, it was so relaxing, and waking up to this view every single day is just, I will miss it so much. Oh my god. I have currently packed my bags. My husband is again in the sea. He's swimming and हाँ वो थोड़े देर के लिए गए हैं, थोड़ा water baby type से. I am actually completely a mountains girl, but this is also very nice, to be very honest. But yeah, he is going to come back now in some time. I think 15-20 minutes में आ ही जाएगा वो. And then we are going to have our breakfast and then just pack like little bit इधर उधर जो भी है वो. Actually already bags pack हो गए हैं and we are going to leave. I'm so sad, you guys. I just don't want to leave. I just don't want to. Also, can we just appreciate this highlighter? Don't appreciate my makeup because I am completely tanned. Like उसमें कुछ, there is no denial in that. Like I am completely tanned. I am just out in the sun all day every day, and because of that ये तो होना ही था, but that's okay. All the tan lines will go but the memories will stay. Anyway, this is the makeup look I shot right now for my Instagram, for my vertical content, reels and everything. So if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, please do, and if you guys haven't subscribed to me on my YouTube channel right here, then please do. I'm working really hard to grow this channel more and vlog even more, so I would really appreciate that. And yeah, I'll just go have my breakfast, see where my husband is firstly, and then I'll check out from this beautiful property. I'll see you guys at the airport, I guess. It's time to say bye to this property. I'll miss you. You'll miss it too?
First experience.
है ना? मन ही नहीं कर रहा है घर जाने का, पर इतनी धूप है कि मन कर रहा है घर जाने का. This is the speedboat जिससे हम अभी एयरपोर्ट जा रहे हैं, guys. And one last time, see you. हेलो, वी आर एट द एयरपोर्ट. अभी 2 घंटे में हमारी, 2 नहीं 1 घंटे में हमारी फ़्लाइट है एंड वी आर गोइंग बैक टू इंडिया. दिस ट्रिप वॉज सो होलसम एंड आई थॉरली हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम हियर. अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैंने वाटर स्पोर्ट्स नहीं किया, उसका मुझे बहुत दुख है, बट अदरवाइज द ट्रिप वॉज रियली नाइस. गणेश, हाउ वाज योर ट्रिप?
अमेजिंग, बहुत मजा आ
और कितना तो रेट करेगा आउट ऑफ 10?
आउट ऑफ 10 9.
8 8 की 9 क्यों?
One because water sports ज़्यादा experience नहीं कर पाया. Otherwise everything was good.
For me it was an 8 on 10 because बहुत सारी activities मुझे करने नहीं मिली, but nevertheless I really had a great time here and I am ending the vlog right now. I hope you guys liked it. I'm trying my level best to like upgrade my vlogging skills and everything, and I would really appreciate if you guys would subscribe to my channel and like this video, hype this video as well, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.